So I purchased this Neewer 20-inch battery-powered ring light about a few months ago, and it's doing pretty good. This is the back of the light. There's the on and off button. Turn it on. And there's cold light and warm light. I'll show you what it looks like. This is cold and warm all the way up. You can see the light changing all the way up, all the way down. Now this is warm light maximum. Warm light gone. Cold light maximum. Cold light down. So I normally use cold light and maybe a little bit warmth in it. That's it. So this kit comes with a battery charger and 2 batteries. That's all you need. And I'm gonna put these batteries in. These batteries normally takes about 1 hour to charge, and it will last for about an hour. I'm gonna unplug the light, turn it on. Perfect. And the batteries have to be charged in the battery charger. They cannot be charged on the light. It also comes with a little red remote button, so when you're from far away, you want to adjust the light. Perfect, but I forgot where I put mine. So these light covers are 4 pieces of plastics. 1, 2, 3, 4. When it comes in the package, I'll show you. You have to, don't freak out, you have to put them together by yourself. It sort of looks like this. And these are LED lights in the back, and 4 of them. I'm just going to show you one. You kind of just put this one underneath, put this one on top, and they'll just clip, clip, clip. Very simple, super easy. That's it. So the light can go as low as this, about to my shoulder. I'm 5'2". And then this is how high it can go. There we go. Ah! Yes, very high. Almost 8 feet. Right there. And I'll lower it. Okay, here's a few things I want to show you. This is the phone holder. And the cool thing is that you can loosen this part and the phone can go any direction you want it to go. Like if you do something on the table, the phone goes that way. Perfect. And you tighten it. Also, the ring itself, the light can tilt too. You loosen this and then it can go that direction. It can go that direction. Very cool. This travel bag comes with the package too. Super cool. You can take the head off and fit in there. The stand is very, very stable. It's a very, very stable. That's So when I travel, I would take the head off like this. Ta-da! And it'll fit right in my bag. Very convenient. There you go.